Thank you so much for checking out this blog post. I'm Dr. Steve Grinstead, and on our Freedom from Suffering Now site, we are committed into helping end suffering one person at a time. The topic I want to talk about today is very near and dear to me. It's that instant gratification phenomenon, or looking for the quick fix. This can be very problematic for people living with chronic pain. Now, if you're anything like me and you're living with chronic pain, you know what it's like when you have a pain flare-up. I've been living with my chronic pain for 32 years, and fortunately for the last 30 years I haven't suffered with it. But I can still really want help right away when I have a pain flare-up today. And fortunately, I tend to practice what I teach. But a lot of people, when they're experiencing a pain flare-up, the first thing they reach for is medication. And for some people, that's the great thing to do, but for a lot of people, that's not so great. This quick fix mentality is perpetrated by our media too. Look at all the pharmaceutical commercials that are on. Take this pill for that. Take this pill for this. And instant release. I mean, there's all kinds of things geared towards helping buy in towards that quick fix mentality. And with pain management, it can be around better living through chemistry, which for a lot of people, 10 to 15% of the population, can end up really badly. You know, there are other ways. When I help my patients develop a pain flare-up plan, 90% of the time it can be non-medication based modalities. Sometimes it's as simple as doing 5 to 10 minutes of meditation, relaxation, and breathing. Other times it needs other things. Ice, heat, chiropractic, acupuncture. There's different things people can do for pain. Now, I really want to support people in finding the plan that's best for them. And I believe there needs to be 3 areas for effective chronic pain management. Finding the most effective and safest medication management can be one piece. Another piece can be differentiating between the physiological and the psychological emotional components of pain and developing a treatment plan to address that. And the third and most important piece is the non-medication based interventions. I think all of these working together using a multidisciplinary team is the best, but many people can't afford that. There's a lot of people that cannot afford to go to 2 or 3 different specialists. At Freedom from Suffering Now, we have a lot of information on this site that can help you with that. If you're watching this video on YouTube, please go to the link below and go to our Freedom from Suffering Now blog site. And after you've finished looking at all the information that I've posted about this topic, the quick fix mentality for chronic pain management, check out the rest of the website. We have a lot of resources for people, especially on the events page. We have a webinar page. And take a look at our Freedom from Suffering Now free video. And really want to encourage you to check it out. We also have 5 other webinars at a low introductory cost that we invite you to consider also. We really want to help people stop suffering with chronic pain. In fact, our mission is to help end suffering one person at a time, and to also increase people's level of functioning biologically, psychologically, and spiritually. It's a very powerful mission, and we need to collaborate with other like-minded people to make this happen. And today, you know, the quick fix is just one small piece, but it's an important piece. This instant gratification that keeps being perpetrated in our media and our fast-paced society has got to be slowed down a little bit. More effective decisions need to be made around chronic pain and chronic pain management. And here on our Freedom from Suffering site, we're trying to offer you some resources that we believe can be helpful right away. If you're an individual living with chronic pain, check out our individuals page. If you're a family member or friend, we have a page for that too. If you're another healthcare provider interested in learning more, go to that section. We want to support you and collaborate with you in improving quality of life and end suffering one person at a time. We believe that freedom from suffering is everyone's right, and also, though, it is a responsibility. We want to be providing and promoting people to be active participants in their own healing process. Thank you for joining me today, and please Sign up for our blog posts and you'll get them every time I post a new blog. Thank you very much.